Good morning, children. Welcome to your science class. Okay. Last class, what you have learned? Okay. Take textbook page number 187. Everybody open your textbooks. Open page number 187. We have done already third and fourth bit. Now we will do fifth bit. Okay. Multiple choice questions. See the first question. Seeds dispersed by wind are very light. Since they are very light, seeds get dispersed. Answer A. Light. Write A. All those who are not having textbook, copy them. Second question. Potato is an underground stem. Potato is an underground stem. B. Answer is B. Write B here. Third one. Hibiscus grows from a stem cutting. Answer is C. Next, poppy seeds. Okay, poppy plants he has given in textbook, but is you have to write poppy plant seeds. Okay, plants will not get dispersed, ma. Seeds will get dispersed. Poppy seeds are white in color. They are smaller than mustard seeds. Okay, gasagasa. Poppy seeds are gasagasa, small seeds. Okay, they can be easily dispersed through wind. Answer is B. And see the fifth question. Fifth. And you see this, no one is writing class fifth science session 5. Okay, for each homework you have to write class fifth science and session 5. For each class this will change. You have to write for each and every homework. It is compulsory. And now see the next bit. Once you go through the next bit, what is the next bit? He has given few diagrams. Okay, he has given few diagrams. Okay, few of you have written. Okay, you just write them. Okay, this is the thorn seed. First one is thorn seed. Okay, it has thorns now. Second one is cotton. Second one is cotton. Third one is coconut. What is this third one? Coconut. And fourth one is pea seeds. Okay. Now he is asking, how does dispersal of seeds take place in these plants? Okay, first one, it is having thorns. Thorns are there now. Okay, first one is dispersed by animals. Okay, animals or humans. Okay, first one is dispersed by animals or humans. Okay, first one. And second one, cotton is dispersed by wind. Coconut, okay, this is the coconut. Third one, it is dispersed by water. Okay, water. Pea, how is it getting dispersed? By bursting. It will burst after it gets dried. Okay, bursting. Okay, you write it. First one, second one, third one. Like this you have to write for each. Okay, first is animal, second is wind, water and bursting. Okay, now you see this matching. Okay, I will do it directly in the textbook. You see it and do it in your textbook. Carrot. Okay, seventh bit you see. Which part of the plant grows into a new plant? Which match the plant with the right plant? Okay, again I will read. You see, which part of the plant grows into a new plant? Match the plant with the right part. Okay, now here carrot is given. Okay, which part if you use it will grow into a new plant? If you take carrot leaves, it will grow into new plant? No. You have to take root part. Now carrot you have to take root part. Match it there to the root. Okay. Now potato. Potato how you can do? Potato is having white buds. Okay. It will have small white buds is coming outside, no? Lightly green in color. If you cut that and plant, you will get a new plant. Mushroom. We said mushroom has spores. Somebody wrote in the homework mushroom has flowers. No, mushroom does not have flowers and fruits. It directly gives spores. Here, leaf. Okay, you see leaf. At the edges you are having small plants growing. Okay, but from leaf, new plants are coming. Okay, through leaves, new plants will develop. Here you see, we are having a flowering plant. That is rose plant. By stem cutting, you will have new plant. Okay, from which part you will have new plant, you have to match it. Okay. Now, eighth bit. Go for the eighth bit. Underline the correct answer. Underline the correct answer. Correct answer. Okay, first one you see, I will only write the answer. Okay, or else shall I write full? I think I have to write full. All or most. Okay, plants grow from seeds. Plants grow from seeds. All plants are growing from seeds. Just now we did matching, no? All plants are growing from seeds, no? Few are growing from leaves, few are growing from root, few are growing from stem. Answer is not all, most. Most means maximum. Okay, maximum of the plants are growing from seeds, but not all plants. Okay, you have to take, okay, underline. Okay, this is the answer. Second one. Ginger is a dash. Ginger is a stem or root. Be clever to answer this question. Okay, ginger is a stem or root. It is a underground stem. Ginger is a underground horizontal stem. We are having vertical and horizontal stems now. Ginger is horizontal stem. Coming to third one. The lotus fruit. Okay, the lotus fruit is hard or spongy? Hard. We read that lotus seeds are dispersed through water, no? If it is hard, how can it get dispersed through water? No, it can't. It is spongy. It has spongy nature. Due to that, it will have air spaces and it can float in water. Okay. Okay, I think this is fourth one, ma. Okay. Fourth one. I have missed one. Now I am writing third one. Moss or balsam reproduces through spores. Moss or balsam. Okay. Among one or two, I don't know. Okay. Reproduces through spore. Reproduces through what? Through spores. Now, if you don't know what is moss plant, go back to your textbook. Turn back your pages. You are having no plants which are reproducing through spores. Okay, here you see from textbook. Okay, here mosses. We are having only mosses. Okay, mosses plants are reproduces through spores. Okay, Now you copy it. Or take a screenshot. It is better if you take a screenshot. Okay, I am rubbing ma. See, next one, fifth one. Money plant. Money plant grows from a stem cutting or root cutting. Money plant is growing from stem cutting or root cutting. If you cut a root, you will get new money plant. Or if you cut a stem, you will get from stem cutting. Okay. Now turn the page. Okay, turn page 188. If you have finished, you just underlining of finish it fast. Now turn next page. Find the names of 8 plants hidden in the grid. Okay, this one. Okay, this is a game for you. Okay, this is a game for you. You have to find radish. Where is radish located? You have to see. Where is beetroot? You have to do. You have to play this. Okay, potato. See, I am having potato here. Potato. Like this, you have to make a box and find this. Now, last bit you see ma project work and all. Already we have done a project collecting the leaf. Now, and here he is asking in this project, okay, to sow seeds. Some seeds he is asking you to sow some seeds. Any seeds, okay, you are having at your home. Okay, like groundnut seeds, any gram seeds, okay, green gram, black gram you will have, no? You take whatever seeds are there, you go and sow them and see how it is growing. He is asking that, okay, project work, okay. And about potato, if you place a potato in fridge for a few days, you will get these white buds. Okay, you cut around that and place it in the soil. It will grow into new plant. And he is asking coriander seeds, daniel, okay. After 9 days, they will germinate. Same way, he is asking ginger. Ginger also, he is asking you to cut into pieces. Not wherever you want, you should not cut. You will get a bud. At the bud place, you have to cut it and place in the soil. Okay. If you cut small pieces, you will not get. Okay. Nicely this much piece having a bud. Okay. You have to sow it in the soil and you will get a new plant. Now oral work or thoughts. Okay. Now we have read this one lesson. Okay. What did you understood from this lesson? Dispersion is compulsory. If there is no dispersion, seeds all will fall under that plant. Okay. Under the plant, all the seeds will grow and germinate. But does it require sufficient sunlight? Yeah. And water and nutrients? No. It will not get. And if the plant seeds all fall at the place, all the seeds will grow at the same place. It will not go, it will not spread to other places. Okay. It should spread everywhere so that all the humans, animals will have food to eat, and all the plants at one place if they are growing, okay, what is the use? Other places there won't be any same plant. Okay. Now improve your GK. See the last one, ma. See this one, last one. Growing of plants from plant part is called vegetative propagation. Underline this. Okay. Underline, very important. Cocodema, the seed of a palm tree is largest seed. Which is the largest seed? We are reading about seeds now. Which is the largest seed? It seems seed of palm tree. Palm tree seed is very large. Picture is given. You see, this is the seed of a palm tree. And you are growing plants from plant parts. Okay, like stem, root cutting you are doing now. Not from seed. Instead of seed, you are growing the plants from stem cutting, root cutting, and leaf. Okay, that is called vegetative propagation. Okay, vegetative propagation. Now, going to the questions. Okay, answer the following in one or two lines. Okay, one or two lines. You see the second bit. See the second bit. Read the question answers meanwhile. Okay, one or two words. Okay, he is asking you to answer the questions in one or two sentences, not words, sentences. I'll write only the answer. You copy the question. What are the parts of a seed? First question. What are the parts of a seed? What are the parts of a seed? When I am writing the question, don't see that teacher will give answer. You have to turn the page like this. Okay, turn the page. What is asking? Parts of a seed. Here it is given no parts of a seed. Seed. Okay, now write it. If you want, you can draw this picture. For this answer, you can draw this picture and write this. Okay, parts of a seed. Answer. The parts of a seed are seed coat, scar, cotyledons, baby shoot, and baby root. Okay, and second question. Okay, if you want, you can draw this diagram. Okay, what is the second question? What is the function of a cotyledon? Here I have written part of the seed is cotyledon. Then what is its function? He is asking, where is cotyledon? This is cotyledon. Yes. Now what is its function? Giving energy to the baby plant or baby embryo. What is the function of a cotyledon? Okay, now answer. Okay, we have to see the picture. See here, answer is given. Okay, what is the answer given? Cotyledon is a baby plant. Okay, they protect the baby plant. Cotyledons protect the baby plant, and they also store food for the baby plant. Okay, copy it fast, ma'am. We are having many questions. Name two plants that grow from stems. Third question. Three questions I will give you. Left-hand questions and long questions are there no? Tomorrow I will give. Because everything if I tell at a time, okay, nothing will go into your brain. Whatever I have given today, once go through them and read them. And whatever I have told, okay, you have to tick them. Okay, answers you have to tick. No need to write part B in your classworks. Only write question answers in your part B. Sorry, in your classwork. Okay, this part and all. Okay, see this part. Okay, this you have done now. You have to show it in your textbook. Take a photograph. Okay, on the top you write name, session. Here you are having space now. With pencil you write it. Here name, session and all you here you write with pencil, and this all you take a photo. From here only you send. Only question answers you write in your notebook. Okay. One more question I will tell you. See why I am explaining when I am telling answers also, because you will remember. When I am explaining again and again, you will remember. See how I am writing heading. Here I have written the class. Here I am writing answers. Same way you have to send me your homeworks also. What is the third question? Name two plants that grow from stem. Third question. Name two plants that grow from stems. Which are the two plants? You can write your own answer. So many are there. Rose is there, hibiscus is there. Okay, from our textbook what we are having? From stem cutting what we are having from our textbook? Go back to your textbook and see. From stems, potato, ginger, money plant is given. But I will not take these examples. I will take my own examples. If you want, you can write from here, or you can write your own example. Okay. Rose plant I am writing. Okay. Two plants that can be grown from stem cutting are rose. Textbook write one, we will write. Okay. Potato. Or simply you can write examples of stem cutting. Examples of stem cutting are rose, hibiscus. Okay. You just copy it, ma. Tomorrow remaining questions. Okay. Remaining 4 questions, long and short. I'll explain you. Okay. Copy it fast. Two plants that can be grown from stem cutting are rose, potato. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.